Welcome to episode 2 of the Off-Grid series. We're back in the house, our renovation project, and we have the dogs. We're going to camp. First of all, we have to separate ourselves because
for a week or two.
Because the dogs are in heat. So
female Mita.
yeah, so it's a mess. We basically have 3 weeks of separation. We don't want to sterilize her before the first heat, so we just have to have Martina camping like the priest on the mountain.
I'm gonna camp here. If you remove yourself, there's the bed, and Mike, maybe you can talk about it. He built a bed for us. It's going to be our official bed. Still needs some kind of like finishing work, but overall it's really beautiful, and we're gonna assemble it and show it to you. And now there's only the frame. He just assembled it before I even started the camera. And we have also the mattress.
Bed plus mattress and sheets plus pillow equal nice camping.
We also have like a mosquito net that we're gonna install on top of the bed, so I hope I won't be bothered by mosquitoes.
We hope so. First we have to broom this household, because this has not been cleaned for 15 years. Let's do that. Clean the house. That looks very good. I bet it will be like this. We put the bed. It looks nice.
It's so nice. night. It's actually really cozy.
No, 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 no.
Jojo! Jojo, no! Sei sporco! Giù, Jojo, giù, giù. Assolutamente no.
I stay with you because I'm too dirty to go to the big bed. Oh, la, oh. Yolo. You're smiling, Joe. I know when you're smiling, you know. With these Santa. These Santa are very precious, you know.
We got some. This is a very beautiful furniture, in my opinion, and it opens in this way. That kind of is a lid that closes, so we can have our kind of kitchen here. And then here we have our food storage. We have some pasta there on the left and some oat, lots of oat in there. And then we got lots of water. All of these bottles are water. Here, lots of water, 5 liters each bottle. And here we have some spices, salt, tomato sauce, and jam. And yeah, this is our setup, our camping in the house setup. And it's currently 8 p.m. The sun just went down, but there's still light outside. And we got some wolves at the horizon. But yeah, tonight we're going to camp inside the house, finally, because we set up this bed. And we're setting up the mosquito net.
What I'm wondering is if it's supposed to be this way.
No,
You sure the length?
this side is 220.
Yeah, exactly. The sides are the openings. Then it's all good. There is like maybe a thread or not. What I don't understand is what is that thread for? Love.
That's
Reaching out.
I like
Then the thread comes in and stretches it wide. So now we have to drill.
It's the middle of the night.
And we had to leave the house abruptly because, my god, the road is really corrupted. Because we were basically being swarmed by bats in the middle of the night.
We had to
And
leave.
first we were struggling with the dogs, and then we went to try to sleep, and the bats started to come, and that's their home, and we can't even close the house because there's a huge window that is without the window.
We had the phone torch on because we were like,
Yeah.
oh my god, we have to monitor this bat situation, and one landed on top of the mosquito net, and
It was really like the light beam to signal Batman to come. That silhouette of a bat straight on top.
we just like, now we're going back.
Yeah, and like, it
It's
didn't
done.
want to leave. It was like,
There were like 10 bats in the floor where we were sleeping, so we had to leave.
They don't want to leave apparently. We put like YouTube annoying bat sounds. It was like so the whole situation was so like how do you say, chaotic or out of this world with this sound from YouTube, and the dogs outside crying and barking and the bats flapping around, and there we were. And in
We
the end,
decided to abort the mission,
yeah.
even though it was quite cozy in there. Like, it
It
feels
would've
really
been so
frustrating
nice.
because we created
Yeah.
such a nice nest.
And we actually tried to still stay for a while.
Yeah, we
Like,
tried to sleep.
I was trying to think like maybe they're like small birds, and this
No,
like
they're
mosquito net is kind of like a tent, so it should protect us well.
And then we read online that sometimes they bit you in the night.
Yeah, if you
and
slept in a room where there are bats, you have to assume that you were bitten, like in
Like
terms
that.
of rabies.
yeah.
So apparently they bite like as well, but we had the mosquito net, that's why we had some courage. But then when that one landed, he started to roll himself in and like make a cocoon or something.
Yeah, it was
It felt like he was pretty good there, like he was happy to be rolling in our mosquito net.
Yeah.
Then I felt that we were not happy to be in the same mosquito net with him.
Yeah.
And we didn't have also the tent with us, otherwise we could have put up the tent maybe. But in this case we didn't. we just want to sleep now. It was too much.
Yeah, we're glad that we have a backup apartment where we can actually feel a little bit more comfortable and we don't deal with these things. But yeah, I was thinking to staying there for some days or a week, but now we have to fix this bat problem. But yeah, thank you for watching. And we'll update you next time. Bye.